Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team skull Grunt. And this is Pokemon Rumble Rush. It's 2:47 a.m. I actually slept for 14 hours straight yesterday, so I'm not exactly feeling sleepy right now. But I plan to sleep and I plan to play a final game of Pokemon Rumble Rush. And I got an unusual pink psychic ore. And I got this from that unusual psychic ore. I wasn't able to record it because it was on my other phone. And I couldn't get the recorder in time. So, yeah. We'll just have to try this stored power super rare LATIAS summon gear out. I'm happy because I got both super rare summon gears on the same day. It was super unexpected. I hope we get the other two, past old summon gears as well. So with that said, we could not upgrade this to level 3 right now. Let's just try it out and see how this does us or whatever. Start by newest, stored power. Stop the opponent's actions for a certain period of time. I like these types of summon gears. They're stunning, or they rather make the opponent flinch. And with that said, let's try it out on some stage that we don't exactly know. My tongue, my mouth actually hurts. I have a sore somewhere. 3. I guess you need 6 in order to activate this. You need 6. Let me try it out. Ooh, looks cool. Let me try it out on you guys. Nice. Nice. Very nice. It circles around multiple times. Circles around. Let's try it. Circle, circle, circle. And yeah, that's basically stored power summon gear at level 2. We'll try it out one more time. On a super boss this time. Yeah, let's just give this up. I'm happy, but I'm frustrated we cannot beat this thing. We still can't. Super powerful. 1, 2, 3. Oh, freak. Hey, that's pretty strong. That is pretty strong for a not super effective thing. Pretty strong, guys. I like it. And we're dead. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. We were lucky enough to get our super rare summon gear or 2 of them in one day. Yeah, if you guys don't know, you can get more. You can get 4 actually of those super rares right now. We got our silver wind gear earlier, then we got our stored power gear right now. There's Dragon Claw and Aqua Tail from the past islands. I forgot which island it is. I think Dragon Claw. I think it's Dragonite Island. And yeah, wish you guys the best of luck. And with that said, thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, comment your thoughts, share this with your friends, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video.